to reach the grade of Sahih. Now we look at how do we come to know that this narrator is Adil or not. There are 5 conditions to check the Adala, the religious reliability of a narrator. First, he should never have lied in the name of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Lying in the name of the Prophet, fabricating a hadith is such a major sin, it's such a serious defect in that narrator that even if he has done it once in his lifetime, every single narration that is found from that narrator gets graded as mawzu, fabricated, because he has been caught out, he has been identified as a liar who lied in the name of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And lying in the name of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is not acceptable. My brothers and sisters, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam warned of hellfire for lying deliberately in the name of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is a very serious matter. This is the first serious, most serious defect. And if the narrator has this defect, every single narration from that narrator gets graded as mawzu. Second, if he has been found to lie in normal worldly matters, in his dealings, in his business, in his statements, and we have this with authentic chain of narrations right to the narrator from the muhaddis in the books of Rijal. People don't know about this, that we don't only have the books of hadith, we also have the books of Rijal where we have statements about these narrators with chains of narration, that has he been caught out lying in worldly matters? Is he a liar known to lie? So if he has been known to lie, if he is a liar, then all his ahadith are graded as matruk. Matruk means left. These ahadith cannot be used to strengthen each other and to reach the level of reliability. These are tarkiwi, meaning left out. These are matruk ahadith if he is lying in worldly matters. The first type is if he has lied in the name of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is a very serious defect. Second is if he has lied in worldly matters, he is known to be a liar, his hadiths are matruk. Third, if he is a fasik, if he is known to do major sins or persist in minor sins openly, which takes them to the level of major. So we see, my brothers and sisters, that this person is not reliable. He's an alcoholic, he's a gambler, he's a person who is known to do major sins, a zani, a adulterer. How can his hadith be reliable? Who is not honest to his own creator, who has not really surrendered his will before his creator? How can we depend on such a person for a hadith from him if he is known to be a fasik? This is the third defect. Fourth, if he is unknown. For example, there may be someone whose name is also not known. Jahalatul Ain. His name is also not known. Who is he? A person says, a person from this tribe narrated this hadith. Now who is that person? We don't even know his name. Who is he? Reliable, unreliable? Or if he is a person whose hal is not known, Jahalatul Hal. His hal is not known. Or if he is a person whose hal is not known, his condition is not known, whose name is known, that he is Abdullah. Now which Abdullah is he? Which Abdullah is he? Is he a reliable Abdullah? Which Abdullah is he? Who is he? We don't know. Now if he is unknown, how can we accept his statement? Some people argue about this. They say no, if he is not known, still we should accept. We ask them, okay, tell me, if you have to leave your bag, your parcel with an unknown person on the street, unknown person on the station, he says, give me your bag, I will take care of your bag. Will you give your bag to him? And obviously no. Why? He's unknown. Being unknown is raising a big question mark. In times when there have been fabricators, there have been liars. Now whether he is a fabricator, a liar or a reliable person, how do we know? He is unknown. This is reason enough for this to cause injury, jarh, injury to his adala, to his religious reliability. Fourth type. Fifth, he should not be a person of bid'ah who is narrating a hadith in support of his bid'ah which no other reliable person has narrated. So these are 5 conditions. If these 5 things are there, it jars, it mars, it injures the reliability, the adala, the religious reliability of that person. Let's repeat. First, he should have never lied in the name of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Second, he should not be known to be a liar in worldly matters. Third, he should not be a fasik whose fisk is open and known to people. Fourth, he should not be a person who's unknown. And fifth, he should not be a person of bid'ah narrating a hadith in support of his bid'ah which no other reliable person has narrated.